Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Grammar and Punctuation Introductory Book 8 6 Plus Key Stage 1 and focusing on grammar skills. Let's open the book. In my previous lecture, I have covered till unit number 3. And today I am going to start unit number 4, that is proper nouns. Yes, proper nouns. Do you know what are the proper nouns? Let me explain. Names of people. Names of people are a special kind of noun. Okay, names of people are a special kind of noun. They are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. My name is Jack. Look, my name is Jack. Jack is a name of boy. It's a special name. That is why it is written with capital letter and it is a proper noun. I am a Jill. Jill is also a noun. As you can see, it is written with capital letter and it's a proper noun as well. Jack and Jill. Okay, both names are written with capital letter. Why? Because it's a proper noun. Names are proper noun. Okay, that is why we write them with capital letter. Okay, so practice. What is written over here? Let me read it. Write the names of these characters from famous stories. Begin each with a capital letter. So what we will do in this exercise, we will write the first letter capital. Okay, why? The reason is because they are proper nouns. They are famous characters from famous stories. Okay, Cinderella, it's very famous and you know it. Cinderella, C will be capital. Little blue, little boy blue, so L will be capital over here. G will be capital. Red Riding Hood, red, R will be capital. Okay, and P will be capital. Jack, J will be capital. Why? Because they are proper nouns and proper nouns always begin with a capital letter because they are special kind of nouns. That's why I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching.